Welcome back to Codemasters, the programming logic game. Let's set up for level 2. For this round, you're going to need to place your avatar at level 3, your portal at level 5, and 1 rupee at level 0. You're also going to need some markers, 2 red and 2 blue. Let's try making a code and then running that code to see if you are correct. As we can see from map 2, there's no double red or double blues. So to have your reds next to your blues would not be smart. Let's try starting at red and alternating red to blue to red to blue. Now let's run the code. Red to blue. Uh-oh, we finished and we didn't collect our rupee. I guess we'll have to retry.
The simplest lesson in coding is using your powers of observation.
Make your observations and then plan accordingly. If red to blue to red to blue didn't work, maybe the reverse will work. Blue to red to blue to red. Let's run the code and find out if we did it. Blue to red, collect your rupee. To blue to red. We did it. We can now move on to level 3. Flip your map. Now we're at level 3. We're going to need scroll number 1. Your avatar will go to level 4. Your portal will go to level 0. And you need 2 rupees, 1 at level 1 and 1 at level 5. Then we'll need 1 red marker, 1 green marker, and 2 blue markers. Do you want to try creating a code? Pause the video and create a code yourself. Did you create your code yet? Let's try something. I can either use blue or red to get to my first rupee. So I'm going to choose red. Then I have 1 green and 2 blue. I think I'll go with green to bring me to 2. And then try the rest. Let's see if that code works. Red, pick up my rupee. Green, blue, and blue. Did I reach the portal? It's okay if you didn't reach the portal or didn't collect your rupees. This is a learning experience. Let's try a new code. We can't keep our 2 blue next to each other, so let's try arranging them this way. Blue, then green, then red, then blue. Blue, then green, then red, then blue. I completed the code, but didn't collect all of my rupees. Something must be wrong. I need to fix my mistake. Where did I go wrong?
Like beginning to read, a common mistake is looking at the first letter and making assumptions of what comes next. When writing code, you need to consider all parts of the plan before running your code. By now, we all know this word and can sound out k, a, t. But think about what other words we know that look like this.
Sometimes when writing code, we don't need to reset all the way. Sometimes we just need to reset from part of the program. So starting at 4, it was good that I went to blue because I could collect my first rupee. And it was good to go to green. Now I have a choice. Do I keep my red trail or do I go to blue? Let's try switching these around and going to blue. I collected my second rupee. And now to red. And I went through the portal to level 4. Flip the scroll, and now you're at map 4 for level 4. In this level, you're going to need your avatar at 1, your portal at 5, and 2 rupees, 1 at 3 and 1 at 4. Then, it's not guide scroll 1 anymore, it's guide scroll 2. Take your guide scroll 1, flip it to guide scroll 2. You'll notice there's more pieces, so there's more actions you need to take. We need 2 red, 1 green, and 2. Let's create a code to get our avatar to our portal and collect both of our rupees. We can start red to green to blue to red to blue. Now run the code. Red to green to blue to red to blue. But we didn't get the rupee. Let's rewind. Let's try a new code. Now, let's run the code. Blue to red to green to red to blue. Something didn't go right. But do we need to go back to the beginning? Or can we switch these? Let's check it out. Blue to red to green to blue to red. We did it. Good job.
Everybody makes mistakes. When you make a mistake, just ask yourself questions. Then, try and solve your problem. Now, we're at level 5.
Scroll 1.
made a mistake.
How about blue to green to red to blue? Run the code. Blue. Let's switch these. Green to blue to red to blue. You did it. Take a note of all of the different directions. Your avatar goes on level 5. Your portal goes on level 0. And 2 rupees. 1 on level 1 and 1 on level 4. We need guide scroll 2. Red, and 1 green, and 2 blue. Create your code. Red to blue to green to red to blue. Go down, so I've got to go up. Then I can go my blue and get my first rupee. Then I can't go down, so I go down this one. Then I need a red. Something didn't work. Do I need to start over? Can I just go here and switch these two? So blue to red. Let's double check. If 5 is here, and 1 is here, and 4 is there. Red to blue to green to blue